What's up, everybody? My name is Matthew. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram at MSJ_4times and at Chile Productions. And on today's vlog, we're actually going to put on MagnaFlow mufflers. Let's get to it. MagnaFlow muffler right here. We're about to go get it installed. I am going to do a quick video or sound clip essentially of cold start, how it sounds at idle or when it's at operating temperature, and then a couple revs, and do the exact same thing after we get this installed. Now I'll put in the description what exact part number this is, and like where you could get it. So a while back when I first got my first Trailblazer, I made a list of parts that I wanted to get. And then at the time, like, who else would you go to other than Tony? I think it's NorCal, NorCal SS. He runs the TBSS owners website, and that's where essentially everyone was buying, or majority of the people were buying all of their Trailblazer SS parts. Anyways, I went through there, created a list of all these things I could not afford, and one of them was this actual muffler, because I wanted the car to be as loud as it could without any drone on the inside. So realistically, it's still not that loud, but keep in mind it's also just my daily too, so I don't want to just have it crazy loud, just in general. And it's relatively stock, so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put this on. Like I said, it's loud as you get with no drone on the inside, according to him. And if you guys follow him or see what he does for the Trailblazer SS community, like, he tests out all these products, so I feel pretty confident in going with his recommendation. Was gonna order it from his site, but his site was down, so I just ordered it from MagnaFlow themselves. Sorry, I didn't even order it. I actually got this as a birthday present. So my birthday was the other day. Made a list, sent it out. Someone got it for me. So yeah, let's go ahead and do a quick sound clip, go get it installed, and we'll be right back. What's up, everybody? We are just leaving the shop right now that we got the muffler put on. Now instantly, as soon as they turn on the car, you can definitely tell it has like a more deeper tone to it, but it's not too loud. So I'm driving right now. You can definitely hear it slightly louder at lower RPMs compared to this factory stock muffler, which sounds loud. Yeah, so the stock muffler sounds good at higher RPMs. You can't really hear anything at lower RPMs. And right now I'm driving home, and yeah, you can hear it, the deeper tone at an idle, and driving it definitely sounds louder, but it's not too loud. I have the windows, when the windows were down, I heard somewhat of a drone. I just rolled up the windows to like kind of confirm if it was my car, maybe like the trucks that were driving next to me. or whatever, and it sounds a little bit louder, but absolutely, at least on my point of view, that I don't hear a drone. It's just, like I said, just slightly louder, which is great. So let me get home. I'm gonna park the car. I'm gonna get a quick idle video so you guys can see what it sounds like now. Do a couple revs. I didn't do a lot of revs earlier because it was early in the morning. You know, Saturday, people are sleeping in and whatnot. Didn't want to be rude to the neighbors. But yeah, so let me go ahead and take up from there. All right, everybody. That's pretty much it for this video. Keep in mind, all I did was just replace the muffler. I still have the Resonator on there. Did my research way back when, found the loudest one I could get without too much drone on the inside, or without any drone on the inside. And I found this one from Tony from NorCal SS. I'll go ahead and put the link in the description of which one I got and where you could get it from. Reach out to Tony. Guys could always text him. He always responds. Like I said, as this was a gift, you know, they just ordered it straight from the website. So yeah, little to no drone on the inside. Has a deeper sound to it, and one thing I noticed right when I parked, I rolled down the windows. Yeah, you could hear the drone when the windows are rolled down, but it's not a lot. It's nothing crazy at all. When the windows are rolled up, you hear the exhaust, but like I said, no drone on the inside, which is great. So yeah, as it being my daily, yeah, this is exactly where I want it. Maybe eventually I'll remove the Resonator on there, make it a little bit louder, but as of right now, it sounds great. I wanted to make it a little bit louder. It did that without fucking up the vibes on the inside while I'm driving and whatnot. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about it. I've seen a couple people online, different forms and whatnot, asking for like audio clips and whatnot. So thought I'd make one. Till next time.